In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Trading DOM. If you're new to the depth of market, often called the DOM, think of it as your real-time window into supply, demand, and trade activity at each price level. Sierra Chart's Trading DOM gives you a focused ladder view of price, along with key metrics that help you read liquidity and order flow more clearly. Let's begin by opening the Trading DOM. In Sierra Chart, go to the File menu and select Find Symbol. In the search box, type the symbol you want to trade. Once you've found it, click Open Trading DOM. This launches a dedicated DOM window for that symbol. You'll see a price ladder in the center, with bids on one side and asks on the other. It's designed to be compact and responsive, so you can keep it front and center while you monitor market activity. Next, let's customize the columns to surface the most useful information. In the DOM window, go to the Trade menu and choose Customize Chart Vash Trade DOM columns. Here, add bid volume, ask volume, recent bid or ask, and traded volume. These columns work together to give you a clearer picture of what's happening. Bid volume shows how much buy liquidity is resting at each price. When you see higher bid volume stacking up, it can suggest potential support or interest from buyers. Ask volume shows the resting sell orders at each price, and larger values can hint at potential resistance or where sellers are more active. Recent bid ask displays where the most recent aggressive trades have been hitting, either lifting the ask or hitting the bid, so you can sense short-term pressure and momentum. Traded volume shows the amount traded at each price level during the session, which helps you identify where the market has accepted price and where activity is thinner. As you add these columns, arrange them in a way that reads naturally for you. The goal is fast recognition. Your eyes should quickly pick up where liquidity is building, where trades are occurring, and how the balance is shifting. Before you trade live, turn on simulation to practice safely. In the Trade menu, click Trade Simulation Mode On. You'll know it's active when you see Sim in the title bar. Simulation lets you learn DOM order placement and management without sending real orders, so you can build confidence and refine your approach risk-free. Treat your practice like the real thing. Observe how the DOM behaves in different market conditions, and use what you see to develop discipline and timing.